Niger Delta to begin another heavy protest if Tinubu did not bring the fuel price down. You don't read though. My wonderful people, Niger Delta don't come outside. The country say they will shut down the region if Tinubu did not do anything to bring down the fuel price or do anything so that people go feed the eat for inside Nigeria. As e be like this now, they say that Nigeria army, both police or the whole force don't come together, say that we make sure say they arrest all the whole people where they carry Russia flag, they protest, or anybody where they sponsor the protest. You don't read though, my wonderful people. As e be like this now, they say that they say governor of Kano State say the man don't provoke, say sort of their people go dey carry things down in the name of protest. Now provoke or go buy wheelbarrow, go charter wheelbarrow from all the whole place for Nigeria, the whole wheelbarrow wey dey Nigeria. This man just buy am, carry am come for inside Kano now. He come dey share am for everybody. He say as they push that wheelbarrow, they go dey push Nigeria, they go front. And I say, wow, what a wonderful solution. I'm going to show you this wheelbarrow. May you look at more as a take charter am. He can't even damn so many things where the man bring come so that you go take keep the youth busy. May not no catch fire. Just watch the video before we come back. Can continue.
Guys, the governor of Kano State was seen earlier today sharing wheelbarrow to the residents of Kano State. Wow, Daddy, we are proud of you. Yes, he was seen sharing wheelbarrow, telling them to start hustling. That this is the time to start hustling. Each man wheelbarrow, each man wheelbarrow. Wow, look at our daddy. Look at him walking so majestically, walking so triumphantically. Wow, 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 wow. Our daddy is doing good. He is doing.
Help, my wonderful people. Shebona, don't see him. Sometimes I go dey think, wetin dey for the brain of our the people wey they call leaders for Nigeria. So this man, when I like the way all those young boys wey suppose dey for school, we suppose they do something reasonable, we suppose they check wetin go build, we go as in lift up the nation. Now we borrow. He think, what of school? What of building technical schools? What of building something very, very important? So many people like the wheelbarrow, but me, I do not like it. My own opinion, buying wheelbarrow for the youth is to kill their careers. When you come to North today, there you will find a lot of people that don't even know what is 2 and 3. In Kano, you find there's a lot of educated people over there, but I'm saying that you find many. There you see children in the street. There's some other things that they will do better than buying wheelbarrow. Send them for one state. They will go there and push barrow for all their life. Send the other one for state. They will go there and push barrow for all their life. But however, now the youth of the northern youth, the destiny is in your hand. So if you wish to be carrying pass to be this thing, what are they calling it? Shoemaker something, sometimes they will buy tailoring something for you people. If it is your destiny to be carrying it around, no wahala. Now for you people, but however, let us go and look within the Nigeria military and police. The message where they send give the youth of Nigeria. Just watch the video.
At the instance of the Chief of Defense Staff, heads of security agencies converged on the conference hall of the Defense Headquarters for this unusual news conference. After the welcome remarks by the Chief of Defense Staff, the Inspector General of Police hit on those flying foreign flags.
But we still have in few states, in Kano, Kaduna, Katsina and Bauchi State, group of people who started subversive campaign, waving flags of other countries and openly calling for military takeover of government. This is not a protest. but an offense of treason.
The service chiefs state their position.
I want to remind all Nigerians that while it is a constitutional right to participate in peaceful protest, it is also an offense and a crime to engage in disorder, violence, and chaos.
The armed forces of Nigeria is constitutionally charged with the responsibility of defense of the nation from both internal and external aggression and protection of the sovereignty of this country. And this is for the overall good of the entire citizens of this country.
The Nigerian Army stand assured in defense of our democracy, of our peace, of our harmony, and we are not going to shift ground on that.
Diaspora sponsors of the protest have also been identified and are being monitored.
Also, some of these people who are actually in diaspora, we have a number of them who are actually instigating this mayhem that we're seeing right now. What we've done is we've had them on our watch list, and they've been watch listed. We have them on our radars, and we're making sure that any attempt they make to come into the country will notify the necessary authority.
For the persons taking advantage of the protest, the Chief of Defense Staff reads a riot act.
It's our duty to protect Nigerians. The only people we're after are those ones that don't mean us well, the enemies of the state. And anyone who makes himself an enemy of the state then will be ready to face the law.
Although normalcy appears to have been restored in many parts of the country, the security chiefs are leaving nothing to chance.
Okay, my wonderful people. Say, I don't say when I don't hear waiting the talk. Say this strength where these people don't use for this protest, because I already talk that the protest, if it last, all those people where they rant, they shout, it go last for I in 2-3 days. All of them go inside. Basically, this is Nigeria for you. Nigeria, I talk say Nigeria never they ready to wake up. And these people are very smart. Do you know this? These government are very, very smart. They played more than 5 games. I tell you people that I'm going to tell you the game they play on your head. Number 1, they start with paying people to come and protest and say no protest. Number 2, they start with bringing thoughts to threat the people that will come outside. They did not succeed. Number 3, they bring people join you for protests. When you see that crowd, half of that crowd are the people who believe in no protest. And immediately the president to talk, all those people where they join, they go sit down. He can't say now few people remain for road. The few people now will remain for road. Now be the 3 people we want protest. The main people will join you will be for Tinubu. They don't go sit down. They say the president don't talk now. I will rest, give him time, make him do something. That's why I tell you that Nigeria, these people are very smart. They're playing card on you people. Okay, now they don't say the protest still get weight for not. Now people now don't they come outside, go they break people shop, they do things, those thoughts where they carry come outside, so that fear go there for people body. All the whole governors they impose coffee, they put for the state, so that people go inside in order way to stop the protest. Okay, let me ask you people one question. All the whole gra one I don't do. The people who don't buy like NSAS, it always be like this one. So immediately when I don't forget them, everybody don't go sit down. And we will tell you people that we the Igbo people don't wake up, that this protest they are not going to join it. When we tell that Igbo people are not going to join, you think we are joking. If Igbo people join, the protest will last for 2 days. And they will instigate tribalism. Everybody will be accusing the Igbos. Then they will go and sit down inside. You see the smart game they play on you people. So next time, if you want to do something, gather yourself wherever and come and do it, and stop announcing in social media, ranting in social media. The Jay-Z of Kenya will be laughing at Nigerians. Yes, I mean it. They not mean business, but the Jay-Z in Kenya will be laughing at you guys. at this moment, because if you watch today, you see that the protest took place in some places, not like the first day and the second day it started. So why are all that ranting for more than 1 week, 2 weeks? We'll end this bad government, we will do this, we will do that, everything. Everybody don't go carry chairs that come to say, hey, the Russia flag go. Now Russia flag and everybody is talking about. They also, hey, I forget to put the Russia flag game. They bring the Russia flag come outside, so that the people will be saying, hey, they have hijacked this thing. No, it's not our agenda. God. How did we come to this point? How did it happen? But however, let me bring you the message where the Niger Delta youth don't send to Tinubu, say if he did not do anything to make sure say he solve the issue of fuel subsidy, that they are going to begin, or they will shut down the region. Just watch the video.
The Niger Delta region is going to commence another protest that will end up shutting down the entire Niger Delta. Hands up! Yeah. Because we cannot bear it anymore. Cost of living, inflation in the riverine areas as we speak is above 200%. Our people are suffering. As we speak, all the NNPC fuel stations that are in our creeks, no one is functioning. They don't even take fuel to those areas. As we speak, a liter of fuel in our communities is over 2,000 naira. It is the responsibility of government to give us a enabling environment where business will thrive. The private sector in every normal society is the driver of economy and employment. But today, the Nigerian policies are to kill private investors. The public-private partnership that we believe that will create job opportunities for our youth, they have decided not to put ear for it. And we cannot fold our hand at this point in time to see that people undermine the democracy that our forefathers fought for.
Okay, my wonderful people, now so we'll see more where they come from. Niger Delta say another protest go break out if Tinubu no quickly react to. And now so it be now, so more carry and come give on. I beg me share this video and make sure say they subscribe for all our social media handles. So for TikTok we did there, YouTube we did there, Facebook we did there, for Twitter we so we did the Instagram, everywhere where you find us. So Balaba G's, you go see us for there. They follow us everywhere so that you will get the update, because remember say the information now be the key. Now only who get information now they know what's in the happen for the land. Okay, my people, we will see you for another update as it dey hot.